Hi, I am Masaki Ono, a senior patent attorney belonging to the Trademark Division of Fukan Patent Office in Japan. This is the 10th of my mini lectures on the Japanese trademark practice, and I will quite briefly answer 3 FAQs about Japanese trademark applications. Now let's go. Question number 19. You can enter disclaimer. Yes or no? The answer is no. Until 1960, you could, but now you can no longer do so. Question number 20. You can amend the approach for trademark. Yes or no? The answer is no. You cannot do so, with extremely limited exception, such as deletion of the TM symbol. Question number 21. The more specific and detailed descriptions of goods services are, the more desirable they are. Yes or no? The answer is, as you can easily predict, no. They are not always desirable. Too specific and detailed descriptions are sometimes objected to by the JPO. Thank you so much for your kind attention. Please do contact me anytime if you have any questions or requests about the themes of future lectures, or I can be of any assistance. See you soon.